What Bitcoin S2F model is missing to reach 100K? I really appreciated Plan B's S2F model. It is quite simple and good reference for Bitcoin investors in long term. His short-term predictions are based on floor model. His short-term predictions are quite correct for 3 months in August, September and October. But his prediction is wrong in November and will be wrong in December as well. We are not financial advisor or signal providers to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Please contact a financial advisor if you're blinded by greed and fear. We just provide crypto analysis and news that might help you for better understanding. Please subscribe our crypto channel and ping the notification bell to get upcoming videos. Before we continue to what S2F model is missing, let me explain about S2F model mathematically. All prices in this planet increase and decrease due to supply and demand. S2F model is very simple. It bases on supply and demand concept. But it focus on supply side. It purely base on scarcity and stock to flow. What is scarcity? In dictionaries, scarcity was defined as a situation in which something is not easy to find or get and a lack of something. Why gold and diamonds are very precious in the world? If there is unlimited supplies for those gold and diamonds, their value will be very cheap like normal stones. The only one reason why those things are very precious is limited supply. It is called scarcity, so scarcity can be quantified by SF. S2F model means stock to flow. Total numbers of stocks divided by yearly flows that come into the market. Let's take a look at S2F for gold. Gold has total number of stocks 185,000 tons in the world and year supply is 3,000 tons. So SF value is 62. Let's say if yearly supply increase and become 3,500 tons, SF will become 52. What the gold price will be in SF value 52. SF value 62 means it only has 3,000 tons of supplies and SF value 52 means it has 3,500 tons of supplies. Of course, the price will decrease in S2F value 52 due to higher supplies. You will see different S2F value in this table and it has different market value. Palladium, platinum and all other commodities have very low S2F value. Its value very close to 1. Existing stock is usually equal or lower than yearly production. It is almost impossible for commodities to get a higher S2F. Because as soon as demand increase, price rises. If price rises, production rises and price falls again. As long as it has no limited supplies, even though demand increase, the price cannot increase for long. Let's see Bitcoin. Bitcoin's maximum supply is limited at 21 million and currently its total stock is 18.9 million coins. Current yearly supply is 328,000 plus coins. So 18 million is divided by 328,000 and S2F value is 57. Bitcoin's yearly supplies is decreasing every 4 years. The main reason why Bitcoin's yearly supply decrease is due to Bitcoin halving. Halving means making half of supply. Every 4 years, Bitcoin supply is cut by half. You can see this table. In 2009, Bitcoin started to mine and 2.6 million of Bitcoin supply into the market. So total stock is 2.6 million and yearly supply is 2.6 million. S2F value is 1. At that time, Bitcoin price is as low as 0.0 something. From 2009 to 2012, yearly flow is 2.6 million. In 2012, total number of stocks become 10.5 million. After those 4 years, Bitcoin halving occur in the end of 2012 and yearly supply become half of 2.6 million. So, start from 2013, yearly supply become 1.3 million. In 2013, S2F value become 9. In 2012, Bitcoin price is only $2 and it jumped to $350 in 2013 after halving cycle. Why the price suddenly jump? It is because the supply suddenly dropped by half due to Bitcoin halving. Normally, the price obviously increase after halving cycle. From 2013 to 2016, yearly flow is 1.3 million. In 2016, S2F value become 12 and the price is $450 to $970. In 2016, another Bitcoin halving occurred and yearly supply dropped to half of 1.3 million. So, the start from 2017, yearly supply becomes 0.6 million coins. In 2017, the total number of stocks is 16.4 million and yearly supply is 0.6 million coins. So, S2F value become 25 and the price jumped to 19k. This yearly supply continued till 2020 for 4 years and another Bitcoin halving occur. In 2021, S2F value become 57 and the price increase up to 68 plus. If we see back to history, 3 Bitcoin halving have been occurred and the price obviously increase after halving cycle. Why Plan B predicted Bitcoin price to become 135k in 2021 December. Economics is the science which studies human behavior. Most human behaviors are predictable statistically. If we draw the line the Bitcoin price starting from 2009 to 2021, we will get the exponential curve. The formula is e to the power minus 1.84 multiplied by S2F power 3.36. If we replace S2F value in that equation for each year, the formula price very close the actual price. So, we created the Excel formula to be replaced easily by S2F in this column. In 2016, if we replace S2F value 12 in the equation, the formula price becomes 671. It is between minimum and maximum of the actual price. In 2017 also the same thing happened. The formula price is 7,906. It is also within the actual price range. The formula price come from historical statistic data and should happen almost the same in the future as well. Let's see what will happen in 2021. If we replace S2F value 57 in this formula, the predicted price become 126k. If we see back the history, all actual price even higher than formula price. In 2020, the formula price is only 11,570, but the price reached to 19k. So I think when Plan B combined with his floor model, he predicted the price to reach 135k in December 2021. His prediction should not be wrong as per statistical data and projection in normal case. The statistical formula price say it should be above 126k. Plan B say it should be above 135k. So, what is he missing? When will it reach to 135k? What missing is Black Swan event and astrological conditions. What is Black Swan event? A black swan is an unpredictable event that is beyond what is normally expected of a situation and has potentially severe consequences. COVID-19 is Black Swan event. When Plan B created S2F model in 2019, there is no COVID-19 yet. If there is no COVID, the Bitcoin price will reach above 135k in December. All the price are defined by fear and greed. If more fear, the price drop. If more greed, the price increase. In last a couple of days, when Omicron news come out, all stocks and crypto prices drop very obviously. If we see back to history, global pandemic happen every 100 years and most of the pandemic finish after 2 years. This COVID has been last for 2 years. The latest Omicron virus is very easy to spread and it can also be the last wave. Hopefully, the whole world will recover on 2022 February or March. It is just expectation, not based on any analytic research. Let's see the astrological conditions. We have predicted based on scientific statistic data. But it is not perfect yet. Let's try to see from astrological perspective. This India guy predicted about COVID a few months before COVID happened based on astrological calculation. His prediction is quite right in the past. He has predicted that major correction will come after November 21. It already happened on December 4. He also predicted that the market will crash after March or April. So we can conclude based on our statistical data and astrological prediction. As per S2F model and our exponential formula, the Bitcoin price should be above 128k in December. But it could not happen due to Black Swan event. But the bull market will extend till 2022 February. So the projected price 128k or Plan B's 135k will be occur in 2022 February. But do not 100% rely on all those prediction. Very important point is do not over leverage. Just buy in spot to play safe. Let's say you buy Bitcoin at 100k, the price do not reach to 120 plus k and drop back to 70k. If you buy in spot, you can hold it as long as you can. Remember, another Bitcoin halving will occur in 2024. After Bitcoin halving, the price will increase at least 3x. Let's continue to see what will happen in next Bitcoin halving. In 2024, the S2F value is 60 and the projected formula price is 149k. After Bitcoin halving occur in 2024, in 2025, year flow will be as low as 164k. If we calculate S2F total stock 19.8 million is divided by 164k, S2F value is 121. S2F value jump double if we compare with 2024. So the projected formula price will become 1.5 million. Nobody knows the future. The actual price may not as high as 1.5 million. In 2021, only half a projected price occurred due to Black Swan event. Let's say, in 2025, only half a projected price happen, half of 1.5 million will be 750k. If you bought Bitcoin at all-time high but still hold it till next halving cycle, you will get at least 3x to 7x. If you feel fear due to crash and sell at lower price, you will feel guilty in next halving cycle. Crypto users are growing exponentially and Bitcoin supplies are decreasing every 4 years. Buying Bitcoin is like buying a land. The land supply is very limited. If you can hold Bitcoin as long as you can make profit. But nobody knows the future. This is just statistical prediction based on historical data. We just show the probability that can happen in future. Do you think Bitcoin will reach to 126k or 135k in 2022 February? Please write your opinion in comment. If you think this video is useful, please subscribe our crypto channel. See you in next videos.